So hello guys, today we'll be solving a problem from this greedy algorithm. So when you are solving a problem from greedy algorithms, you have to remember that the time complexity is a very important factor. Although you are right, you could experience some serious timeout errors. So let's do this minimum absolute difference in an array problem. Here the input format, the first line is a integer and that is the size of the array of the second line. So the 3 stands here for the 3 there are 3 items in an array. So what we are doing is finding the minimum absolute difference. For example, here 3 minus 7, that is 10. 3 minus 0 is 0, minus 7 minus 0 is, that's minus 7. So the minimum, that's plus 7, absolute difference is 7. So the minimum difference here is 3. So we have to calculate the minimum difference on an array. Similarly, you can see other examples here. So let's start writing the code for this. As the input format is the number of length of array on the first line, so let's write the input format for that. Just input an array. Okay, for I in range, this one, absolute. You could also do this by implementing a function, but I am not implementing a function here because it's not necessary. It's easy. So I'll explain this. So you are iterating through the array, and this item here stands for the absolute difference between the first and the second items in an array. Before this, you have to sort the array. Once you sort the array, for example, here 3 minus 7 and 0, 3 minus 7 and 0. After you sort it, it will be minus 7, 3 and 0. Now it will start comparing the first two items. Minus 3, 7 minus 3, that's absolute difference is 10. 3, 0, that's absolute, that means the absolute difference is 3. So among them, the minimum one is selected, that is the 3 is selected. So you can understand this, I think. So after it calculates the absolute difference, and if it is the second one is more minimum than the first one, then the minimum will be assigned a new value. But at the first, we have to assign value to the minimum here. So we can see here any item on an array can be up to 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the minus 10 to the power 9. So I am assigning this a maximum value of 10 to the power 9. I think if you print this, okay, let's first check it on our terminal. say 30 minus 7 outputs 3. Okay, let's check it on our Hackerrank platform. Make sure you have Python 3 over here. Okay, it passes the sample test cases. Now let's submit this. It passes all the test cases. I have watched a similar example over here. You probably know this Geeks platform. A simple implementation is done here. If you implement two for loops instead of sorting and implementing a single for loop, you could get a timeout error. I also implemented this technique and got a timeout error on 4 test cases. So you better implement this way of solving the problem. So once again, remember that for solving greedy algorithms, you have to take time as a major constraint. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share or subscribe. Thank you.